Well, good morning, everybody. How's it going? This morning, I thought we'd do a Sunday brunch. So we're going to be making stuffed French toast with a caramel apple center. And so therefore, what we're going to need this morning, we're going to need some eggs, 2 eggs, heavy whipping cream, Philadelphia cream cheese. I've got some caramel apple pie filling, rum extract, vanilla extract, cinnamon, French toast, and powdered sugar. Okay, so in this bowl, you'll see I've already opened up the pie filling, and I've put half of a container of the cream cheese in there as well. So now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the rum extract, and I'm also going to add a teaspoon of your vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that up. Okay, so in this cup, I've already got a half a cup of your heavy whipping cream. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 eggs in there. I'm going to put some rum extract, vanilla extract, and you can season it to your taste. And then we're going to put some ground cinnamon in there as well. We're going to mix that up real good. Okay, guys, and so now we have our French bread. And what we want to do is we want to slice the French bread down into sections so that we can make our fillet with our pie filling. So the first thing we're going to do, I like to go ahead and just cut the edges off. Now we're going to cut, say, 1 inch to 1.5 inches for each piece. So now that we've got the French bread cut in sections, now you're going to go into the top of your section of your French bread, cut about, let you see that, maybe about 1/2 inch to 1 inch down. Be sure not to slice it all the way through, because this is how you're going to encompass your filling. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take a spoon and stuff my filling into here. And you can put it fill it as much as you want or as little as you want. You can even, if you desire, pull some of the bread out of the middle and put more filling in there. Okay, so you stuff that real good, like that. All right, now, see how that's filled pretty good? Let me cut that side. I like to get it down there a little bit further on this side. Let's see. Okay, that looks better to me. Now, we're gonna take this and dip it into the heavy whipping cream egg mixture, like so. Get that all covered up really good like that. Get rid of the residue and put it on your cooking sheet. Okay, so as you can see, this made about 6 servings of the French toast stuffing. So I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes. Hey guys, so there you go. You've got your powdered sugar on there, some banana, some turkey sausage, and it's up to you. If you like, you can warm up some nice syrup of your choice to drizzle on top of there. Okay, and there you go. There's a good old bite with all that apple and cream cheese, and there you go. Here you go. Get a good old taste of that. All right, I hope you enjoy your morning, and bon appetit.